Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Mathemagic by Varuna. Now in today's video, we will understand what are parallel lines. Let us begin. If no point is common to two given lines, then it would mean that the lines will never intersect each other. Hence, they will not meet each other at any point. Therefore, such lines become parallel lines. Now let us understand this through visually representing them. For example, I take two lines, say one of them is L and the other one is say M. Now I have made these lines in such a way that when we extend these lines on both the sides, they will never meet each other. And since they will never meet each other, that is, they have no common point. Hence, these lines become parallel lines. Now, there is another way to understand this, that the lines are called as parallel lines if we take that the distance between the perpendicular distance between the lines at all the points is same always. When we make perpendiculars over here, the distance between them will always be same. Hence, if this criteria is satisfied, then the lines become parallel lines. Now, let us understand parallel lines through some real life examples. Now, when we see a railway track over here, in the railway track, when we draw lines over here on the wooden planks in between, now here the lines form parallel lines. Also, when we look at the track, over here the track is curved and it's moving. But if we look at the track also forms parallel lines. Next, we move on to the second example, which is the zebra crossing. In the zebra crossing, you can see over here, when we draw lines, the black and the white portion, the lines over here form parallel lines. Next, let's move on to bricks. Now, when we see the bricks are in the form of cuboid. In a cuboid, each face is a rectangular face. Okay, we can say each face is a rectangular face, and the edges of these faces, they form parallel line. Lastly, let's move on to the example of a window. Now here, since windows form is the face of the window is a rectangle, hence the opposite sides are parallel lines. Also, we can say the lines over here in between also form parallel lines. Now, other way, if we draw lines over here, then the green line and the vertical line black over here, they intersect each other at a particular point, which is the common point. Hence, they become intersecting lines. So we have to see that the black lines are parallel to each other and the green lines are also parallel to each other. Now, I hope the concept of parallel lines is clear through these examples. And let's meet in the next video to know more about basic concepts of geometry. Thank you.